right. Yes. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, today I'm just going to show you how you can style short dreads and still how you can try to be creative enough to see that it's coming out nicely with the addition of some hair extension. You try to make sure that it looks very nice. So as you can see, I'm trying to do a mohawk style, and this is how it is supposed to move. So for this time around, I'm not going to say much about this, but let's just see how it is supposed to be done. As long as you have a sewing thread plus the needle, so that you start styling this. The one I'm styling this side is the one I'm going to style the other side, so that we can finish on top doing our mohawk. So let's do it.
Jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko hair by clippers hair by clippers hair by clippers hair by clippers confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers shot callers tukola kwa babazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy everybody clippers we the best 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 jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko hair by clippers hair by clippers hair by clippers hair by clippers Tolina chongamba number one, you know. A big thing this Bano beba number one Buli chimuba chikola from the art Obukugu wa pulo Temuli muyiga bona bachiso Nobody can ever run them Crochet master muwi hima run them Jembiri bakuwa balinga high grade kwe basoma all of them are styles them are do for you them are make you look nice and sexy too for the beautiful woman come around here by clippers hair by clippers fire Tolina chongaba clippers fire oh na na Tolina Tolina chongamba, tolina. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, a number one project master, Morris.
Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold nayo nyumide gwe nokamala. Bakutonyetonya kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewamo bisidi crochet master. Bali professional movie envidi bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come on visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga queenie. All in it like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga mutini. All in it like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Katonzi by my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no.
Yes, for now, you can rate this from 1 to 10. So just rate me. Bye-bye. May the Lord bless you all. Let me see you in the comments section.
Touch of a crochet master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master, Morris, the crochet master, Morris, the crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master. He's so good.